Some random dude was sitting on my car, so I thought it would be funny to mess with him.
Yo, bro.
Yeah, what's up?
Dude, do you mind if I get a picture of the car real quick?
Yeah, go for it.
Dude, that thing's sick, man. Yo, what do you do for a living, bro?
I'm a male lingerie model.
Dude, holy crap. I love it, man. Thank you. Have a good one, dude.
Yeah, no problem.
Take care. Yo, bro, one more thing, man.
Yeah, what's up?
You want to get the fuck off my car, bro?
It's alright. I already got a Mills number, and those colors are whack.
Yo, you're wearing the same colors, bro.